Hello friends, welcome to Yash's channel. I'm Yash. Today I'm making video on strategy group 40, that is planning with final assembly. Friends, all of you know that in SAP PP there are number of strategy group like make to stock, make to order, gross requirement planning, planning without final assembly. So one of important strategy group is 40, that is planning with final assembly. It is some kind of combination of make to stock and make to order. We start our production by putting demand in demand management, but incoming sale order consume our plan independent requirement, that is demand, and adjust our customer demand or adjust our requirement. So friends, let's move towards sheet. Strategy 40 is planning with final assembly, in which sale order consume plan independent requirement. Sale order consume plan independent requirement. Plan stock consider in MRP. There is PIR consumption happen with incoming sale order or customer order. No PIR reduction happen, only PIR consumption occur. Friends, there are some master data for strategy group 40. Like in sales view, we maintain item category group as a norms. In MRP view, we maintain strategic group as a 40 consumption period. For example, I maintain two, that is backward forward consumption. We maintain period. For example, I maintain 30 days and availability check 0 to. So friends, I will show master data. This is our finished material. And for that particular finished material, I maintain, this is my strategy group 40 consumption period 2 backward forward, and I maintain period for only 30 days for backward consumption and 30 days for forward consumption. So friends, I already created bill of material, work center, routing and production version for that particular product. I will show you one by one applications of this strategy 40, how it is used in MRP, how backward and forward consumption period affect that MRP. So friends, first thing I will tell you, we put demand in MD04 with requirement type VSF. So let's move towards demo. T code for maintaining demand is nothing but MD61, that is create plan independent requirement. In that we put requirement type as a VSF. We put requirement type VSS planning with final assembly. Plant 1000. Yes. So friends, this is my finished material. So I put demand of 100 quantity here. Okay. I put demand of 100 quantity here. Once I put demand and refresh it, system give here demand properly of 100 quantity with requirement type VSF. So as shown on the chart, if I run MRP, system give plan order of 100 quantity. So I run that particular MRP with T code MD02. Once I run the MRP, system give plan order of quantity 100. System give plan order of quantity 100. I refresh my MD04 screen, that is stock requirement, and I got plan order. Yes. Now friends, move towards column G. In column G, we put demand of 100 quantity and simultaneously within 30 days, because our consumption period is 30 days, we put sale order of 90 quantity. And in that situation, what happened, I will explain you. Before that, I adjust this MD04 screen. I delete my plan order which was generated earlier. Now I put one sale order of quantity 90. So friends, all of you know that T code for creating plan order is nothing but VS01. Here I put all necessary data like sales organization, distribution channel, division. Here I put my sale order number and copy that particular sale order. So friends, here I put my finished material. My finished material is nothing but finish 413. Here I put 90 quantity and all necessary data like plant, amount, currency, etc. Once I put all this data for sale order, I will check it for complete log. I will check it for incomplete log. So friends, system takes some time for execution. I check for incomplete log and system give me the message that document is complete. I save that document. Once I save the document and if I refresh that MD04 screen, what changes happen you will see here. Now currently independent requirement is 100 and I put sale order of 90 quantity. Once I refresh it, planned independent requirement, that is PIR, consumed by sale order, means incoming PIR consumed by sale order, and my PIR quantity is now 10 and sale order quantity is 90. Means what happened friends, before sale order coming my PIR quantity is 100 and once I create one sale order, so whenever sale order put in system, after sale order requirement, my PIR quantity changes from 10, 100 to 10 because sale order is 90, total is 100. So friend, in that situation, if I run MRP, how many plan order system generate, I will show you. If I run MRP with the help of the code MD02, so in that situation, yes, in that situation, if I save that MRP and refresh MD04 script, system will generate two plan order of quantity 10 and quantity 90. So here is also 10 and 90, means our result are perfect. Now friends, move towards column H. In this column, we put stock as 100, PIR 150 and sale order quantity is 100. So in that situation, what happened? I will explain you. In that situation, what happened? I will explain you. Before that, I will make scenario as it is. I will make this scenario as it is. Okay. Now friends, I want to add stock of 100 quantity in the system as shown on the chart. I put demand of 150, but I want to add stock. You know that T code for creating or adding stock in the system is nothing but Migo. We put good receipt to the author of 561 moment. Yes. Here I put my finished material. Here I put quantity of finished material. Here I put location of particular finished material. Yeah. Now I want to check. Okay. Now I post that particular finished material. Now friends, all of you know that stock is 100 and independent requirement is 150. If I run MRP in that situation, plan order of 50 come. But my scenario is like that. Total stock is 100, PIR is 150 and sale order requirement is 100. So friends, if I create sale order for that particular finished product, what happen? You will observe. Here friends, I put finished material with quantity. Our sale order quantity is 100. So I put 100 quantity, respective storage, plant, respective, okay, yeah, INR means currency. Check incomplete log here, friends. Okay, document is complete. Now I want to save that document. If I save that document in particular way, now in MD04, that is stock requirement list, if I run or if I refresh that screen, this independent requirement is 150 changes to 50. Why? Because this incoming sale order consume this plan independent requirement. And now friends, in that situation, how many plan order or how many quantity plan order system will generate, we observe here. Yes, friends, now I want to run MD02, that is single item multi-level. And once I refresh this MD04, system generate plan order of 50 quantity. Yes, our result is also 50. Why? Because total stock is 100, incoming sale order is 100, PIR is 150. So incoming sale order consume all PIR and PIR changes to 50. So total is 100 and 150, but out of that 100 stock is available. So we want to create planning proposal only 50 quantity. Yes. So same situation here in column I. If I put demand of 150 and incoming sale order is 140, then incoming sale order consumes this plan independent requirement and plan independent requirement changes to 10. So total stock is 140 plus 10, 150, but out of 100 is available. So new planning proposal of 50 quantity come here. Same thing happen here. If plan independent requirement is 150 and sale order also 150. So in that situation also friends, all sale order consume this all plan independent requirement. So once sale order enter in the system, there is no plan order in the system. Sorry, there is no PIR in the system. PIR is 0. So in that situation, if I run the MRP, system consider this sale order with current planned stock, that is 100, and create 50 quantity of planning proposal. Because stock is 100, sale order is 150, so we require new 50 quantity to fulfill that requirement. Now, if we consider column K, our stock is 100, PIR is 150 and sale order is 160. Means sale order is more than PIR. So all this PIR consumed by this sale order. So once sale order enter in the system, there is no PIR. All PIR consumed by sale order, and system consider current stock with this sale order and create planning proposal of 60 quantity to adjust this requirement. Same for column L. If our stock is 100 and sale order is 100, no planning proposal is generated. If our stock is 100 and sale order also 110, then only 10 quantity will require to fulfill that requirement. Yes. Now friends, we move towards some different scenario of consumption period, that is backward consumption, forward consumption. For that, I delete that plan order and make such scenario for you. Okay. Okay, friends. Now what happened? I delete that sale order also. Yes, I delete that sale order. Yes. Now our planned stock is 100. If we put demand of 110 quantity and sale order of 80 quantity of different date in the sense that we put difference between PIR and sale order more than 30 days because our consumption period is 30 days. So friends, I adjust this demand of means change from 150 to 110. 110. Okay. Now I create one sale order of quantity. Okay, I create one sale order of quantity 80 with date more than 30 days. With date more than 30 days. Okay, this is my finished material with quantity 80. I put plant of 1000 here, amount and currency here. Okay, no problem. I put PO number, check for incomplete log. Okay, no friends, no problem. Now if I save that particular sale order and I refresh MD04 list, so in that situation our order quantity is 80 and independent requirement quantity is 110. So there is no any consumption happen of independent requirement. Why? Because if you see MM03 means material in display mode for particular MRP3 profile or MRP3 view, our consumption period is 30 days. Means the day difference between these two dates, that is incoming independent requirement and sale order, is more than 30 days. That's why this sale order not consume PIR. If this 2 days difference is equal to 30 days or less than 30 days, then only this sale order consume PIR. So now in that situation, if I run MRP, system will create planning proposal of quantity 90. Yes, this is 10 and 80, 90. Like here, 10 plus 80, because there is PIR date and sale order days is more than 30 days. More than 30 days. So same situation here. If our total stock is 100, PIR is 100, and sale order is also 80. So in that situation, if I run the MRP, system consider current stock, that is 100, and create planning proposal of 80 quantity. Current stock is considered, but this two date is difference more than our maintained consumption period. So that's why system not consume this incoming PIR. System not consuming incoming PIR. Now friends, move towards column P. If our stock is 100, PIR is 100 and sale order is 100, and suppose PIR and sale order requirement is within consumption period, so this PI are consumed by sale order, and once sale order enter in the system, in MD04 screens, we get 80 sale order and 20 PIR. So in that situation, total quantity is 100 and our plant stock is 100. So in that situation, if we run the MRP, then system create no any planning proposal because total stock is sufficient. Here also friends, same. If PR is 100, sale order quantity is 100. If we put production order here, so production order is equivalent to creation of stock. So our stock is now 200 and we require only 100 quantity. Means stock is more than demand. So in that situation also no any planning proposal we create. Let's move towards column R. PIR is 100 and production is 100. So in that situation also no any planning proposal happen because production order is sufficient to adjust demand. Again, if PR 110 and production order is 100, means we require 10 more quantity to fulfill demand. So planning proposal of only 10 means plan order of only 10 quantity generate in the system. Last column, if PR is 100 and production order is 110 means production is more than demand. So in that situation also no any planning proposal will generate. So friends, I already tell if we put demand, our requirement type is nothing but VSF, but we create sale order for a particular strategy 40, our requirement type should be KSB. Main difference between strategy 10, 11 and 40 is that 40 is use PIR and consume this PIR by sale order requirement and adjust final demand. I adjust final demand by considering current plant stock. So most of the company use strategy 40 is the first option because in strategy 40 demand is adjusted by incoming sale order by considering current stock and fulfill the requirement. So friend, this is more about strategy 40. Next time I will come with strategy 50, that is planning without final assembly. Meanwhile, you like the channel, subscribe the channel, share the channel. Keep touch with your touch. Thank you.